episode 151 of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at a bullish pin bar trade setup. A bullish pin bar trade setup is a bullish reversal signal. A pin bar is a really easy candlestick to identify. We are only looking for one candlestick, so it's a really easy trade setup to master. Once price comes to a key support and resistance level and gives us a bullish pin bar, we're looking for price to move higher now. So we will enter a trade long. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what a bullish pin bar looks like and how to enter a trade based on this trade setup. Here we're looking at a bullish pin bar trade setup. This is pound US dollar 1 hour chart. A bullish pin bar is formed when the price has been moving lower and then it goes and tests a level and rejects that level. So if you look to the left here, there is support and resistance here, that we see a previous pin here as well, and we see pins on the other side. So this is a support and resistance level that the price comes into and then rejects that level and moves off higher. So the buyers step in at this level, and as a result we get this long pin, long tail on the candle and a small candle body that is green. So this is a bullish candle formation. This is one of the easiest ones to trade just because we are only looking for one single candlestick. Once we see this bullish pin bar form, we're looking for price to move up higher. So we would go along in this trade. But first though, because we have such a long candle here, long pin here, we want to wait for a bit of a pullback. So we wait for a pullback and enter the trade long here as the price is dropping, because we are looking for price to move up higher. So we enter the trade long and our stop goes below the pin here. We want to make sure there is enough room for the trade to breathe. And we stay with the price as long as the price moves higher. As we can see here, all we have are our green candles, and then we get a couple of small red candles, but overall the direction is to the upside. Price has momentum to the upside, and we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving higher. Once we start seeing these red candles here, which are strong here, so we exit the trade. So now we have a reversal signal in the opposite direction, so we exit our long trade. From entry to exit here, we have 45 pips in the trade. So just to recap here, bullish pin bar is one single candlestick formation where we are looking for price to move higher. Price would have been moving lower prior to that. It comes into a support resistance level and buyers step in and we get this bullish candlestick formation. Now we are looking for price to move up higher, so we wait for a bit of a pullback so we get a better entry and we enter the trade long. Stop would go below the pin here. We just want to make sure there is enough room for trade to breathe just in case price decides to come back and test this level once again. Once we enter the trade, we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving higher. Once we start seeing candlesticks in the opposite direction that are strong candlesticks, we exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we have 48 pips in the trade. So our profit is 48 pips or $480 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this episode, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.